Hi, my name is Sarah. I am a mom in my 50s. I live with my husband and 2 kids. I take care of my family every day. My mornings are always busy. Today, I want to share my morning routine. These are simple, real-life English sentences. You can use them in your daily life. Listen and repeat after me. Let's start the day together. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I turn off my alarm and lie still for a moment. I take a deep breath and stretch my body. I get up quietly so I don't wake my family. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and tell myself, it's a good day. I walk to the kitchen and drink a glass of water. I look outside and check the weather. The house is still quiet, and I enjoy this moment. I start making breakfast for my family. I fry eggs and toast some bread. I cut fruit and pour juice for my kids. I make a hot cup of coffee for my husband. I set the table and call everyone to eat. We sit together and talk while we eat. I remind my kids to pack their bags and check their homework. I fix my daughter's hair before she leaves. My husband finishes his coffee and picks up his bag. I hand him his lunch and check if he has his keys. Drive safely. I love you.
I will. Love you too.
I watch his car pull out of the driveway. Finally, the house is all mine. I pour myself a fresh cup of coffee. I sit on the couch and take a slow, quiet sip. I turn on the TV and find my favorite morning drama. I watch it with my coffee and feel completely relaxed. I laugh at a funny scene and feel good. During the commercial break, I check my phone. I read a few messages and reply to a friend. I put my phone down and just enjoy the silence. This quiet time in the morning is my little gift to myself. After the drama, I turn off the TV. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I feel refreshed and ready to get things done. I look around the house and make a mental list. I think, okay, let's get started. I start with the living room first. I fold the blankets and fluff the pillows on the couch. I pick up things left on the floor. I sweep the floor and then mop it clean. I wipe down the coffee table with a damp cloth. I move to the kitchen and wipe down the counter. I wash the breakfast dishes and dry them. I put everything back in its place. I take the laundry basket to the washing machine. I sort the clothes into lights and darks. I add the detergent and start the machine. I hear the washing machine hum and feel satisfied. While the laundry runs, I tidy up the bathroom quickly. I scrub the sink and wipe the mirror. I put out fresh towels for the family. I check the fridge and see what I need to buy. I make a grocery list on my phone. I write down milk, eggs, vegetables, and chicken. I also add some fruit and snacks for the kids. I grab my bag, my keys, and my reusable shopping bags. I drive to the grocery store near my house. I grab a cart at the entrance and start walking through the aisles. I check my list and pick up the items one by one. I squeeze the fruit gently to check if it is ripe. I compare prices and pick the better deal. I add a few things that were on sale. I see a neighbor in the cereal aisle and wave hello. We stop and chat for a few minutes. I tell her it was nice seeing her, and then I move on. I go to the checkout line and put my items on the belt. I pay with my card and pack my bags. I load everything into the car and head home. I bring the groceries inside and put them in the fridge. The laundry is done, so I take the clothes out. I hang some items to dry and fold the rest. I make myself a simple lunch, a salad and some soup. I sit at the kitchen table and eat quietly. I don't watch TV during lunch. I just think and rest. After lunch, I sit on the couch for a short break. My eyes get a little heavy, and I rest for 20 minutes. After a short rest, I go for a walk around the neighborhood. I wave at a neighbor. Hello there. I walk for about 30 minutes and then head back home. I sit down with a glass of water and check my to-do list. I reply to some emails and make a phone call. Around 5 o'clock, I start preparing dinner. I take out the chicken and the vegetables. I season the chicken with garlic, lemon, and herbs. I chop the vegetables and put them in a pan. The kitchen smells warm and delicious. My kids come home from school.
Mom, something smells good.
Dinner will be ready soon. Go wash your hands. My husband comes home, and we all sit down at the table for dinner.
Great job! You just practiced a real-life English conversation. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural your English will become. Come back and practice again anytime. See you in the next lesson.